So, we're out walking. We just had lunch. Where are we, Connor?
We're walking to the park.
And why are we walking?
Because we just wanted to get out of the house.
Get some fresh air. Gracie,
Have fun.
where are we going? What's it? Gonna what do? What, sorry?
Have fun.
Okay, just going underneath these trees. It's the summer holidays. Yes, it's a British summer, but we can't sit around and wait for the perfect weather. We've just got to get out together, so that's what we're doing. So we're just going to go on a little exploration of a place where we live now.
Some of the acorns are coming out.
Yeah, I'm going to go out to a place called Risley Moss. As you can see, we've got our wellies on. And for some people who know this, I've stolen the word. It's called a welly walk. You know who you are. And we're just getting out in the rain. Because if you ever get to that moment in your life and you look out that window and wishing it's raining but I'd still love to be out, now's the day. So, see you in a bit. So we're just coming on our walk now to a place called Risley Moss, which is where we're from, and it's unfortunate it's closed on a Friday because it's open all the time. You get a lot of things like the elk hunt, safari day. What else do they do here? School comes and visit it because it's a nature reserve.
Yeah.
It's a fantastic day out. We knew it was closed today, so we're going to be on our way around the back to go in the woods to have a look. So that's what we're up to in a bit.
We found a place where we never see at school before, so we're going to go down it.
Okay, let's go. So then, where are we, Connor?
Right next to Gorse Cottage School.
Okay, and what's this place?
I don't know.
We're just around the back of the estates, aren't we? It's chucking it down.
Oh yeah, yeah.
We've got our wellies on. We're just going for a welly walk to see what we can see.
It's a good job we got our wellies on.
It is, because we don't melt in the rain. We just seem to hide from it for some reason, don't we? And imagine if you was poorly in bed somewhere and you was wondering, well, how many days I've messed in my life and how many days I've missed. It wouldn't it be nice if I could add up all those days where I could have gone out, I can get them back. Oh, look at this little bridge. Wow, a little bit of exploring to find there's a bridge.
Careful, it could be slippy.
Could be slippy, well done.
Yeah, it is slippy.
So there you go, first part of our adventure. We just discovered something we didn't know was here, and all because we got our wellies on and went out. Soaking went through, but we're waterproof because we all have a bath and we all have a shower and we don't melt. The only person who melts is the Wicked Witch. Oh, another one. Where's that? Go and have a look.
There's so many ways to go.
That's it, Gracie.
This might go back out to the houses.
Only one way of finding out, that's exploring. Keep looking there, chucking it down, but we're bone dry, we've got our wellies on, got waterproof jackets on, we've had our lunch.
It leads to one house, but
Oh, I know where it comes out now, it's brings out by one of the families we know who used to live here, Gail. And this is a path we've gone past a million times, didn't realise. So there you go, a little bit of exploring, what do you find? Gracie, what do you find?
We found a neighbourhood.
if they are. See if we can go fall through. That's it, jumping them. Yes, yes. Excellent. One life. You don't know what you got tomorrow. Live it today. Don't wait for a shiny day. Make one. All that mud. Yes.
Oh, that's really deep.
Cool, isn't it? You see a lot of things on Facebook and you see a lot of things on Instagram about people going on about school holidays and nothing to do, and it's all out here, it's all things to do. What we're actually got into our brains is, can I pay someone to make my child have fun for a couple of hours, and you know, like, or can you entertain them because it's too much at home? We've got all this and it's free. It's just like £2 for some wellies from Windsor's. Now, you don't need a pair of hunters on, it costs you 80 quid. It's just about getting out in the fresh air and just getting your feet wet, exploring, just doing different things. We've 6 weeks holiday, that's all you get. And instead of looking at it as 6 weeks, oh my God, looking after the kids, it's, wow, look what I can do in 6 weeks. I've only got 2 days off, well, a day and a half. And I wanted to spend time with the kids, and I can't wake up in the morning and go, oh, it's raining, I can't do anything. So that's why we dressed like this today. Getting out there, aren't we? And what I do, they'll do, and what they do, their kids will do. So, all behaviour's learned, and I want them to be able to think to themselves, I don't really care if it's raining, we can go out with a flask of hot tea, can't you? Hot chocolate. Enjoying yourself.
Oh look, there's a stream.
Go on, have a look at it, see where it goes from and to. Where's it going to? Does it lead into anything at the bottom?
Might lead into a massive puddle.
Keep looking.
It's turning from small to big puddle.
Go and see. Wow, look left. Look left there. There's a massive puddle.
Is it a puddle?
Oh my God, let's go and see.
Wow, that's really cool.
Right, take your time going into it because it might disappear. Whoa, cool. Careful, there might be a big hole in the bottom.
Oh, is it out there?
Just try.
Oh, it's getting in the way. That is kind of refreshing.
Was it?
My feet still got water in.
Right, let's go back through it then, we'll go up that hill over there.
Yeah.
Go on.
Oh no. Yes.
Make sure it doesn't come over the top. See that? So as we've just come off that big puddle there, I asked them how did that puddle form up, and Gracie said, where was that place we went to stay, Gracie?
What?
Where was that place we went to stay?
Cornwall.
Yeah, what was the place that we visited that flooded?
Boscastle.
Boscastle. And Boscastle did exactly the same as that. Lots of rain, became little streams, and then absolutely obliterated the place. So, learning about it and seeing it, it's all about that, the enjoyment of that learning there. Another big muddy bit we're going through.
Imagine going through this in your trainers.
Never happened. Get out your house. Get out your house, get off Roblox, get off Minecraft, get off Facebook, get off everything.
Get off Fortnite.
Yeah.
Watch.
Get off it all, just get outside here. It's proper cool. What did you say then?
I said, wow, raspberries.
Raspberries or whatever they are. A lot of people come on the back of here picking them, take them home and have an alternative jam. Something like that. Enjoy themselves.
We'd have to wash them first.
Yeah, that's right, they do.
Apple.
Apples, what are falling off there? That apple tree there, what's that? Keep going.
Listen to the noise of my wedding.
Squelchy, aren't they?
We went through. Whoa!
Massive puddle here.
What?
It might even go down further than that was a massive puddle.
Try.
It's higher than the grass. Wow.
Daddy, look at that one.
Go and check it out. I'll check it out first, hold on. This is going to be funny if I disappear now. Wait there, wait. This is rather cool. Sure is.
So we've just discovered a new pathway. It's got a puddle here. Leads to we don't know where yet, but we'll find out in a minute.
Everybody wait, wait, oh, the gap coming. You see in the distance the gap?
Oh yeah, the gap of light. Okay, we found the way out. Wonder where it leads to. Okay, let's see where this bit goes to. Found a secret, well, not a secret bit, but another pathway. I'm sure I've been down here before. It looks familiar. Very familiar.
Hold on a sec. So far we've been out for I think it's 71 minutes. Just get my hand there. We've been out for 71 minutes. We've burned 314 calories and we've done nearly 4 kilometres walking. We're still coming through, but we've still exercised, had fun and got out of the house. Yeah, so look at these two, like two drowned rats.
I'm soaking.
But you've had a good time. Winning.